So let's get into it. Hello, and select the sound clip and skip the nesting part, like in other tutorials. If you want nesting, watch another tutorial video. Quite helpful, but for me it didn't work because it's just my audio flatlines. So I found another solution and it worked in my case. So click on the audio clip, effect controls, and then you mute at the part where you want the echo to kick in, and well, not to kick in, but where you want the audio to cut out, because with the reverb effect it ignores this muted part. It just keeps on going, like see, it ignores the mute part. But yeah, so you mute it by putting keyframes. In one side it's 0 decibels for me because there's no sound at that point. Okay, let's mute that. And at the other part you put -infinity keyframe. You can do that by typing -1000 or by typing or just lowering it till you can't hear. And yeah, then you type reverb, then throw this bad boy studio reverb inside the clip. I already have it, so select the clip, go to effect controls, edit, and there's decay thing here. So you can put it if it's on the lowest. Unmute. Yeah, there's no echo sound, and if you go to the let's be stupid and go to decay and put on the maximum, and there you go. It keeps going on till either it fades out or till the part of this clip. If I put it here, it's gonna end there. If I put it there, it's gonna end there. So yeah, pretty simple. So